Hello everyone, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video I'm going to guide you how you can remove object from a picture without wasting any time. So let's get started. So what you have to do is you have to just search for a website with the name cleanup.pictures. So this is the website front end. So you can see you can remove any object, defect, people or text from a pictures in seconds. So I'm going to show you the real example. You have to drag or click here to upload a picture. For example, let's take an example. I want to upload this picture. So in the Pro version, you can have this in a high resolution. In the standard version, you can have 720 480 as a dimension of the picture. So I for this example, I want to go with continue with SD. So now you can see by default I have the eraser option in on the image, and I want to remove these mirrors from the bike. So you just need to highlight this and click on it, and it will take some time to process it. And you can see those mirrors have this mirror has been removed, so I want to go with another ones the same way. Okay, so you can see the object that I want to remove from the picture has been removed. If you want to fine tune, you can fine tune it later on, but you can see like even you can see the preview like previous and current version. You just need to toggle this on and you can see it, like you can see the difference what has been there earlier and what is now. Okay, and you can increase and decrease the size of the brush. uh, Sorry, you can increase and decrease the size of the brush by using this slider. Okay, and you want to see the zoom in and zoom out feature of this picture, then you can use this. Okay, and you want to reset that, you can click on reset and then go back to brush. And if you want to make any other edits, and if you're satisfied, then you need to just click on download. It won't be asking you to sign up and any other kind of rubbish. So I can see that the image has been downloaded. You just need to click on it and you can see the images as per the dimension that has been promised by them. Okay, so that's all about this video. And if you like this video and you want to learn more facts about the technical side, then do follow my channel. Thank you.